Njengoko ifikelela esiphekweni ngomso iveki eqaphela ukuthintela ukuzibulala kwabantwana iTeen Suicide Prevention Week ngelasemzini, Umbutho iSouth African Depression and Anxiety Group utyelele izikolo zase-Gauteng ngelokuxhobisa ulutsha ngalengxaki yokuzibulala. Isikolo sobugcisa iSouth School of Arts eDaveyton Ekurhuleni sesinye sezikolo eziye zatyelelwa ngulo mbutho. Umdidiyeli weendaba zethu uzukicetywayo senzelele ngxelo.
ISADAG ithi kubalulekile ukufundisa abafundi nabantwana ngeligonqongqo ukuze bakwazi ukujongana nalo.
It's really sad when we're hearing children as young as 9 and 8 who have died by suicide. So for us, going into schools and speaking to learners directly is incredibly important to help educate them around the signs and symptoms of depression, how to get help and how to help a friend.
Ukanti usaziwayo unozuko njangase njengexhoba lesi sifo ucacise banzi ngokudakumba.
Ngesikhathi futhi ke mina ngiyayenza kakhulu umbona umuntu isolate kakhulu umthola ukuthi nje ungathi udliwa umzangedwa akafuna ukuhlala nabantu kakhulukazi ifuthi bekade kuumuntu ojwayele ukuqhabalaka ayijwayele ukuba happy umbone eseseceleni ngesinye isikhathi uyamuzwa ngezinto azikhulumayo ngesinye isikhathi umthola ukuthi usiya self harm usifuna ukuyisika usefuna ukuphuza izinto ezifana namaphilisi futhi useyekile nezinto ezijwayele ukum-entertain izinto ebezimjabulisa akasazenzi ke manje.
Otitshala bayayonwabela le nkqubo.
We feel ukuthi even the performance yabo labantwana laba in terms of being assessed, they will be given a special treatment in school so that we know that even if they don't perform well, we know that, for example, there are certain angles so that we believe that everybody can be in a position of achieving, but achieving ngendlela yabo nale inkinga ebabanazo.
Kambe abafundi bathi abazali abayiniki ingqalelo emingeni abajongene nayo.
Kwamanye emakhaya kunokuthi kube khona ukuthi muzoletha inkinga thizeni bazothi hayi cha uphathwa ikhula i-adolescent stage bebona ngathi uyadlala kanti ngempela udepressed ngempela udinga usizo.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi iprogram mhlambe ningenza once a month because it helps a lot because abanye like bagainile like bayahila because they've been bottling up for a long time.
Kwindaba zethu ku Channel 163 waziphathelwa iNewsroom Africa ndinguzukicetywayo eBinoni Ekurhuleni.